In this old guy DIY video, we're going to show you how to remove those super ugly moldings on General Motors 2000 through 2006 SUVs. The thing you will need to do this job is a heat gun. We use this little 1500 watt one. You'll need something to kind of dissolve the leftover residue. We use denatured alcohol. Some type of rag to, wipe the stuff. First thing you want to do, doesn't require any prep work. Just get your heat gun. We're going to go back and forth, probably 30 seconds to a minute. It should just, I just grabbed right here, pull up. There you go. So now the piece is off. You kind of see it's just held on adhesive on the outer edges. And now you can see what's left that we clean up with the alcohol, or some people use WD-40, whatever you prefer. Go ahead and heat up the remaining adhesive again. Take your thumb and you'll be able to easily push it up and remove it. Kind of push towards the corners, and then once you get a whole strip, you can kind of pull it across, is the idea. Just kind of rub with your thumb, and that's all there is. Then you just do it all the way over. Most of the adhesive off. You can see it's a combination of adhesive and dirt. So I'm just going to wet the rag with the alcohol, rub it back and forth with a little bit of force. You don't have to worry, you're not gonna rub your paint off or anything or scratch anything up. After about 10-15 minutes of scrubbing that down with the denatured alcohol and heating it up with the gun, we have one piece fully off. All that's left is to do the front piece. So here we have a picture of the truck before the moldings were removed. And here's a picture of the truck after the moldings were removed and with a new bumper. Hopefully this video has helped you remove the moldings, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and we'll get back to you.